What if your compliance needs didn't slow down innovation? While private enterprise races ahead with AI and cloud, regulated industries are stuck navigating compliance barriers. Every industry deserves a platform to innovate faster, without compromise. But the reality? Data residency requirements, compliance overhead, AI adoption demands. It all jams up. GitLab Dedicated clears the path forward. It's single-tenant SaaS that deploys in any AWS region you need with complete IP protection. FedRAMP Moderate authorized means you can meet federal requirements without all the complexity. GitLab handles maintenance and updates, keeping your platform current and running smoothly. The unified admin panel provides infrastructure overview, configuration details, and private networking for complete visibility and control. You can deploy context-rich AI agents across your development lifecycle. Teams move faster with compliant AI that understands their context. So clear the path to secure, compliant, AI-powered innovation. Stop planning and start building with GitLab Dedicated.